So today is the burial day of Artemidios, and they're preparing a big feast. This morning, about an hour ago, they killed a calf, and now they're preparing to butcher it to cut it up. I'll show you later. Also, they have prepared a lot of chickens that they're going to have today. It was very noisy last night because it sounded like there was a lot of commotion last night, so we didn't get much sleep. Between the vigil service and then it sounded like there was kids playing in the middle of the night, and then the guys got up real early to slaughter the cow. Anyway, I'll go over there and show you what it's like. It's lunchtime. Mayroong bantay.
Hey, Joe.
Hi. Video.